Alright, we are going to start to work on these models. I don't know how many I'm going to accomplish or fix or finish, but we have Duncan here and I found some decals. I no longer make this, sorry guys, but anyways. So this one has been fixed. I replaced this, I put this spring battery terminal. So we just need to replace those decals. Also found this that I made a long time ago. It's a battery operated, hold on, let me put the batteries. It's actually a custom model. I'm just trying to say custom model. I put some lights on this. It was a remote control model with a very nice bright light. I know it is not what you expected, and some of you didn't like this light, but look at the decals, custom decals. But it's nice, powerful. So we're gonna start working on some of these models now. And before we continue, we received this package from DF Tech from Amazon, and it's a 4K 1080p dual dashcam front and rear, which is include a free 64GB card, 3.16 touch screen, night vision, 170 wide angle view. What I like about this camera is that it records automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. And you can adjust the view by swiping the camera with the fingertip. That's the front camera, adjust it a little bit. The rear camera, or you can put both. Now this is the front camera, which is in 4K. And the rear camera, this is inside the vehicle. And now a little dark, and it looks pretty good. If you're interested, check the link in the description. So we have few troublesome trucks that are missing the decals, the faces, and maybe a coupler. So we have the decals here, and let's get to work. Now I need to replace that coupler. This one looks awesome. About this troublesome truck, I don't know if that's the right face, but I'm going to put this one. Is the most common face you find in a troublesome truck. This one I can put anything. I know you guys might say put any of other these ones, but I don't know, maybe I'm thinking one of these faces that has never been in a troublesome truck. This is a custom face. I don't remember seeing these faces in any other troublesome truck, but look at that, looks good. Now for this boy we need to remove the decals, and I'm using a heat gun. Dangerous, do not try this at home unless under adult supervision. Even though this one looks good and clean, it's not. And anyways, these other are not going to match. Well, for me this heat gun works perfect. This one looks good. I think the only thing that it needs is the lining, the lining. I had to trim down a little bit, one strip. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Now the other side. You need to take your time when you do this kind of stuff, or it will look crooked. Yeah, that's good. Now the nameplate. I know it doesn't look exactly, but that's the only decals I have. But I think that's perfect. Excelente. Yeah, that's good. Next. All right, now we have Molly. Molly is a 2000, what? Look at that. 2005 Tomy. And I had to remove this coupler from another old model. Some parts you cannot even find them anywhere, so they're no longer produced. You can either make a rubber coupling and make the attached tender, or buy some bunch of Thomas models and use some parts from another model. I think this needs a deep wash. Yeah, it's a little dirty. Now let's remove the decals on this, and I need to fix that part. And obviously I'm going to remove the decals on this. Hold on 1 minute, what's going on here? Okay, look at that, it's tangled. So maybe that's the reason it didn't move. All right, fresh batteries, thanks to EBL for those gift batteries. Anyways, it's not moving, it's dead. Okay, I've tried 3 volts, didn't work. So I guess, or the motor is dead, or it needs you know, you need to spin this motor. Is it loose? No, it's not loose. Just give it some spin and then try again. Let me see if it runs. Yeah, there you go. Now it's running. Now I just need to let it run for a couple, maybe 1 minute. Purrs like a kitten. Nice. Now the decals needs to be removed. Remember, this is very dangerous. I'm just warming up the plastic area so it will be loose. Don't apply the direct heat all constantly. So if you're trying to do this, I recommend you just to give it 1 or 2 passes, give it a little pause, and then try again. Too much heat, it will deform the plastic, so you need to be very careful how to apply the heat. Other way you can also, you know, let it soak in water, put it in, dip it in the water, and it will soften, but it will take long time, you know, longer time, maybe 1 or 2 hours. And sometimes the plastic that covers the protects the decals does not allow you to remove the decal. See how easy it comes off? That's really nice. First one done, and the second one, and the back, and that is perfecto. I guess I'm going to focus only with decals today. So we have Hiro, and I found this. Oh man, this look at this decal. Yeah, so we're gonna put a new one. I think I found some. I thought it will be very difficult to find, but I found the perfect ones here. First thing, let's remove the decals, and then it might need a proper wash. You can see there's a little, you see this? A lot of dirt, filthy. And the rear coupler also broken, it needs a new one. Very sticky, and I just need to remove the part of the glue. You can do this with the rubbing alcohol. That is a broken coupler. We're gonna put a replacement. And the next step is beautiful decal number 51 for here. Oh, hold on, there is still a little piece here. Can you see it? Okay, I removed that thing. And here's the tricky part. You need to align it very careful. There you go. Excelente. That's beautiful. Now the turn for the other side. Very careful. Oh. Okay, very carefully. Yeah, it takes time. It's not easy. It's not easy as it looks. Still need to clean a little bit with rubbing alcohol. But look at this. Look at the decal. Nice. Now we have the complete set. I was lucky to find this all lapidated tender, but it's good. Okay, we have some jet engines, and I need to pick one. That one looks clean. I don't know about this one. It's kind of yellowish, but all are yellowish. I don't know if it's the age, but anyways, that one looks green, so I assume I can just swap the battery cover to this thing. Yeah, we have light. Yeah, okay, yeah, I'm gonna swap the battery cover and that's it.